Okay,
Tulong nga.
Oh, isa pa. Wow, very good.
Congratulations, Kaya! Yay! Congrats!
Dalitan, dalitan.
Okay, another competitor. We have JV Camp 8 Euphoria, the Mahalo Elementary School. Congratulations!
Okay. Kuha. Tubig, pagawasin mong tubig. Parehan, yabutan din tubig. Na. Okay. Okay.
Again, parents, kasi nakakaya wala na dulang yung mga anak. Pagsurusuroy lang mo ito, kay kanay mga area or activity area ng bakante. Okay, another completer from Bogita Elementary School.
Okay, lukso.
Brian J. Navarro. Congratulations, kay Brian.
Okay, jump. Okay, lukso, anak. Isa-isa ha. Sige. Okay. Sige. Tama na. Ay, sorry. Game mo, Sam! Asa na masako na ulo? Sige.
Uy, ayos na dito rito. Pila ba ito rito?
Tulong nga. Kuya, linya lang ka ba? Linya ba? Itulak, anak. Sam! Dito padulong mo. Okay, dito padulong. Nita, nihatag na. Kau na. Oh, sige, gunit, dia. Gunit, ito. Oh, tama na. Dali.
Another computer, we have Angelo Bigamo from Mahayan. Another computer is Marco of the school from Bugisan Elementary School. We have Ron G. Cabrera from Daniel M. Perez Central Elementary School. Nathan Onday from Santo Niño Elementary School. Renz G. Zaru. Renz J. Zamora from Mahaya Elementary School. We also have Zachary Dylan G. Daba from Daniel Elementary School. We have Bato Dwayne Jordan from Santo Niño. Congratulations mga langga for completing our activities. We have Brother Quebrel John Anthony from Santo Niño Elementary School. Congratulations. We have San Brazilian Sky Ezekiel, another computer from Mahayag Elementary School.
Ayun lagi pagkapil-papil. Nag-liso
We
lagi
have
na
Raymond from S. Calderon. Congratulations. Raymond Stephen Boy from Bugisan. Congratulations. Dennis Riley Carlos. Congratulations.